We're going to solve a radical or root equation here, and the equation we have is the square root of y squared minus 8, and that's equal to y minus 2. So we always want to start with a root by itself, on a side by itself, which we already have. The square root of y squared minus 8 is already by itself. So I'm just going to jump in and square both sides. That'll help me get rid of the root, and then I can solve it using a different method. So when I square the square root, it goes away. So on the left, I'll have y squared minus 8. When I square the right, which was y minus 2, I'm going to have a FOIL. So I'm going to have a y minus 2 times a y minus 2. So multiplying that out and collecting like terms, it'll be y squared minus 4y plus 4. Okay, so then when I look at like terms, I have a y squared on the left and a y squared on the right, which will, if I bring it to the same side, will cancel out. So now let's just get y by itself. So I'll rewrite it first of all. Negative 8, messy. Negative 8 equals negative 4y plus 4. So let's work on getting that y by itself. So we'll subtract 4 from both sides. And that gives me negative 12 equals negative 4y, and we'll divide both sides by negative 4. So I get down to y equals 3. Again, we like to check these to make sure we don't mess up, because we know we can pick up extra answers. So let's check the y equals 3. So we're going to plug it in. So square root of 3 squared will be 9 minus 8. And on the other side we'll have 3 minus 2. So that's square root of 1 equals 1. It checks out. This answer is good.